There is a big time confusion. Which one is real Buddha? This one or this one? But before that, first let me explain. Buddha is not a name of a person. Anybody can become Buddha. Anybody who is 100% purified without any impurities and who's fully enlightened is actually called Buddha. Now, this basically sometimes referred as a laughing Buddha. Actually, this is not Buddha. This person, his name is Budai. He was a Chinese monk, passed around somewhere around 1916 or 1780. When we talk about Buddha, that was basically this one, Siddharth Gautam. His actual name was Siddharth Gautam, but called Buddha because he was fully enlightened, free from all the impurities, free from all the cravings, aversions, and everything. And there's another reason basically to justify that why Siddharth Gautam was referred as a Buddha, because Buddha was very highly disciplined, living on one time meal a day. And of course, he was a god living in a human body. But still, I'm pretty sure that when you eat one time meal a day, you cannot look like this. So yeah, Samyak Sambuddha, when we talk about actual Buddha, it was this one. If you have any query, write it in the comment sections. I will be happy to reply.
When you hear the term Buddha, you probably imagine him to look something like this, or something like this. If they're both Buddha, why do they look so different? The word Buddha doesn't really refer to a single person. It essentially refers to a status. Those that manage to reach the state of enlightenment are called Buddha. This individual that you've probably seen depicted a lot is actually called Siddhartha Gautama. Born within the region that is now considered Nepal around 2,500 years ago. It's through him that the philosophy and belief system of Buddhism really developed. But Buddhists don't believe that this individual was the first Buddha. They believe that there have been other Buddhas around the world since the beginning of humanity. And they believe that many others would reach the status of Buddha, which is why we have this individual, someone that's often referred to as Budai. Now, he actually lived in China around 1,000 years ago, and is considered to have reached enlightenment, hence the status.
Hello everybody. Today I want to talk about one of the most common misconceptions people in our society have about religion today. More specifically, well, if you're not blind, Buddhism. Namely, which one of these guys is actually the Buddha? So let's start out with this guy. His name was Siddhartha Gautama. He was born in modern-day Nepal around the 6th or 7th century BC, and is considered the founder of Buddhism. He sat under the Bodhi tree for 49 days and attained enlightenment, thus gaining the title Buddha, which translates to the Awakened One. His calm demeanor and meditating stance symbolizes the peace one attains from enlightenment. Very wholesome indeed. Now you've undoubtedly seen this happy gentleman in many a Chinese restaurant. He lived in medieval China and is often nicknamed the Laughing Buddha for very obvious reasons. His large belly symbolizes joy and happiness with this life, and his iconic huge smile and gold ingot above his head symbolizes detachment from worldly possessions. Good lesson.
Did you know that the Buddha is considered to be a Hindu god as well? Let me explain. In Hinduism, Vishnu is the god of preservation, and whenever there was an imbalance in the universe, Vishnu would incarnate on earth, which we call avatars. Until now, Vishnu has done this 9 times and will do it for a final time to signal the end of the current age. Matsya was the first avatar of Vishnu. He appeared as a fish and saved the first human Manu from a catastrophic flood. Kurma the tortoise is the second avatar. He helped to churn the ocean's waters to release the nectar of immortal life. Varaha the boar is the third avatar. He raised the earth from underwater with his tusks after a 1,000-year-long battle with the demon Hiranyaksha. Narasimha, the man-lion, is the fourth avatar. He appeared on earth to destroy evil and end religious persecution and calamity. Vamana the dwarf is the fifth avatar. He appeared to save the world from the demon king Bali. Vamana then banished Bali to the underworld.
About the Buddha, or also as we know him as Siddhartha, meaning he who has found the meaning or aim. He was born to a well-off family, the Shakya clan, and a white elephant is said to have visited his mother, Queen Maya, in a dream. It was prophesied that Siddhartha would either be a great leader or a holy man. He grew up with luxury and wealth, sheltered from all of the realities of human suffering, until it came to him in the four sights when he went outside the palace. And he was inspired to seek it for himself. At first, being a wandering beggar did not provide him any joy or solace, until he found the middle way, a form of balance and moderation, and to go beyond suffering through the four noble truths. Dukkha, suffering comes in many forms and goes much deeper. Samudaya, the roots of desire and evil come in greed, ignorance, and hatred. Nirodha, the possibility of being liberated and free. And Magga, the path for the end of suffering through the noble eightfold path. All amounting to how he became the Buddha, the enlightened and awakened one.
In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of paradise.
So yes, there is only one, the one and only historical Gautama Buddha, which is right there, okay? And when we say the one and only historical Gautama Buddha, Siddhartha, okay, last name Gautama, is that we have evidence and proof that he existed, okay? Now, when we talk about the big Buddha with the belly, okay, he belongs over there. Mostly in China, they do that. And there are multiple Buddhas over there where people are still scratching their heads like, do we have any evidence that this Buddha actually exists? And even their own scholar, even their own school of Buddhism in the Mahayana tradition even have said that certain Buddhas in their tradition does not exist. So again, the one and only historical Gautama Siddhartha. Okay?
So for those that are unaware, this is not the Buddha. This is Buddhai or Hoti, a Chinese monk who was a bodhisattva, an awakened being, but he's not the Buddha. Because when we think of the Buddha, we're talking about Siddhartha Gautama, the original Buddha, the original awakened one, because that's what Buddha means, an awakened being. And Hoti has been a kind of mythical figure in Chinese folklore, so to speak, as he was a monk in the 10th century, so quite a while ago. And sometimes he's even seen as Maitreya, or an incarnation or veneration of a future Buddha, the future Buddha who comes to earth to help all beings achieve enlightenment. In fact, the name Buddhai itself actually means cloth sack, because that's what he's kind of seen wearing. And in some stories, he carried around basically a bag of candy and would give it out to children. So some think that far in the past, he was a past idealization of Santa before he became popular in the Western world. So yeah, just remember, this is the Buddha, Siddhartha Gautama, and this is Buddhai, or Hoti.
What did Buddha really look like? Well, to begin, Buddha is just a term meaning enlightened one, so there could be many Buddhas in the world. But when we speak of Buddha, we usually refer to one individual, which is this man, Siddhartha Gautama. Now, if we are to base things off art, there are many different depictions of him because Buddhism spread across various cultures, and these depictions are usually more so a reflection of the people that make them. The earliest depictions go back over 2,000 years to the area of Gandhara, which is modern-day northern Pakistan. But even these were made centuries after Buddha's existence. So rather than basing his appearance off the art we have, we can base his appearance off the stories of his life we know. He was born to an upper caste family in what is now Nepal. His family were Indo-Aryan speakers, who phenotypically tend to resemble modern-day Northern Indians. So just basing it off location, caste, and ethnicity, he could have looked something like these depictions.
Great question. We hear people refer to different Buddhas, but I thought there was only one. You're not the only one. When we're talking about the Buddha, we are talking about the Shakyamuni Buddha, Buddha Gautama, who lived roughly 2,500 years ago, was born in Lumbini, Nepal, attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya, India. He is also referred to as the Buddha of our era. But Buddha is actually a title. It means enlightened one. But the same way that we would talk about the principal of a school instead of saying Principal Johnson, we just say the Buddha because we know which one we're referring to. When we start talking about things in a greater scheme, we might refer to different Buddhas. We often talk about Buddhas of previous eras, future eras, because there have been previous Buddhas in history, just either not recently or not ones who've made themselves known. And there will be future Buddhas because people in the future will attain enlightenment. But when we talk about the Buddha, we're talking about Shakyamuni Buddha, whose teachings we are following when we practice Buddhism. Hope this helps.
Did you know that tradition holds that Siddhartha Gautama, the historical Buddha, died from food poisoning? The Theravada Buddhist tradition holds that it was pork that caused food poisoning, while the Mahayana tradition puts forth that it was actually a mushroom. Scholars generally agree that the differences between those two traditions are due to the differing views on the precept of mandatory vegetarianism for Buddhist monks and nuns in the Theravada and Mahayana traditions.
Let us present to you historical facts about white Buddhism.
Hi, Amitabha. Can I please go to the Pure Land now? I've been a very good person, and this whole samsara thing, I'm not feeling it. Do you catch my drift? Can I please just go already? Okay, all jokes aside, let's debunk this misinformation. Oh my god, I don't get paid enough for this shit.
Let's talk about history, and let's talk about racist history.
If you kept track of all the times he said, let's talk about history, instead of actually talking about history, he actually could have done some good research and actually learned something. So it's a very common talking point among Afrocentrists that Shakyamuni Buddha, or the historical Buddha, was in fact African. And right off the bat, that's just a laughable claim. His title, Shakyamuni Buddha, literally translates to the sage of the Shakya clan, which was a clan, a royal family, that he descended from modern-day Nepal. And then they go on to cherry-pick certain statues, which are often from Southeast Asia, that confirm that the historical Buddha was in fact black. And it's a very common misconception that these things that do look like Bantu knots, that's his hair, when really it's a retelling of the story of the snail martyrs, where 108 snails gave their lives to keep the Buddha's head from overheating while he was meditating. But let's move on to more stupidity, shall we?
The higher vehicle, see, superior Buddhism, or what they call the higher vehicle, is a white racist or a white supremacist concept. You see?
No, I don't see, because you're full of shit. When 2 seconds of using Google debunks your argument, you know there's a problem. The first result literally says that Theravada and Mahayana Buddhism split around 300 BC, mainly because of, differences in practices, but not in fundamental teachings. Theravada Buddhism is the more orthodox form of Buddhism, and Mahayana is much more spiritual in that regard. It has absolutely nothing to do with race. There was another half hour of that video, but I'm not going to give myself a stroke trying to debunk every single stupid claim. In summary, I am so fucking sick and tired of Afrocentrists trying to blackwash other people's histories. It is straight up disrespectful, and it also negates the fact that Africa has some of the most fascinating histories in the world, and we don't talk about them enough. But instead you want to just say that Buddhism is just racist because white people stole it, when there's literally no evidence of that. I mean, unless you think that Indians and Chinese people are white, then you're just fucking nuts. Namo Amitabha Buddha. I pray for you all.
We all probably know that this person right here is Buddha. More specifically, he is Gautama Buddha, an Indian prince who is considered to be the founder of Buddhism. But did you know that this person is also Buddha? So is this person and this person. Clearly, these images are of different people, so how come they're all Buddhas? Well, interestingly enough, the Buddha that a majority of the people know is the very last Buddha to come and guide humanity. Depending on the specific tradition of Buddhism, there are between 7 and 28 different Buddhas who have guided humanity throughout time. That is because Buddha is actually a title that means the awakened one. Technically, anyone who is awake and achieves nirvana and Buddhahood without the help of a teacher pointing out the right way or dharma can become a Buddha. The most well-known and popular Buddha is Gautama Buddha, who is credited with establishing the religion itself and spreading it around India. However, according to the Theravada tradition of Buddhism, the very first Buddha was called Tanhankara Buddha. He lived eons before Gautama and practiced for 1.6 sexquadragentillion years to gain enlightenment.
this. I'm going crazy now. No more gas in the red. Can't even get it started. Nothing heard, nothing said. Can't even speak about it. I'm alive, I'm my head. Don't wanna think about it. Feels like I'm going insane, yeah. It's a thief in the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside you and consume you. A disease of the mind, it can control you. It's too close for comfort. Oh, you pretty lies. You're in the city of wonder. Ain't gon' play nice. Watch out, you might just go under. Better think twice. The chain of thought will be altered. So if you must pause, I'll be right. Your mind can disturb you. It's like the darkness is light. Disturb you. Am I scaring you now? Disturb you. Ain't used to what you like. Disturb you. Disturb you. Faded pictures on the wall. It's like they talking to me. Disconnected, no one call. The phone don't even ring. I gotta get out, oh, figure this shit out. It's too close for comfort, oh. It's a thief in the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside you and consume you. A disease of the mind, it can control you. I feel like a monster, oh. You're in the city of wonder. City of lies. Watch out, you might just go under. Better think twice. Think twice. I will be altered. So if you must pause, I'll be right. Disturb you. It's like the darkness is the light. Disturb you. Am I scaring you now? Disturb you. Ain't used to what you like. Disturb you. But other than that, but other than that, it's dirty, release me from this curse I'm in. Trying to maintain that I'm struggling. If you can't go, think I'm gonna. You're in the city of wonder. You might just go under. Think twice. The chain of thought will be altered. So if you must pause, I'll be right. It's like the darkness is the light. Disturb you. Am I scared of you now? Disturb you. Ain't used to what you like. Disturb you.
So one of them ladies who making all of these babies. Let me tell you something, baby. You gotta get something. Whatsoever you do, you gotta get something. So listen what I have to say. I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time gonna fly. And I never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, and I know I gotta give it a try. And I know the road to reach it, and I know the ways to fail. I know all the rules, and I know how to break, and then I only know the name of the game. But I don't know how to leave you, and like you do, making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing, and nothing at all. Nothing, and nothing at all. Out of nothing. Whoa, whoa, and nothing at all. Out of nothing, and nothing at all. Out of nothing, and nothing at all. Out of nothing. Let me know, let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. When I feel what I feel,
यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार
दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे कड़ दे दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे
तू मेरी हीर मैंने दिल से माना तुझे हर वीरवार पीर बाबा से भी मांगा तुझे यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार कड के भी ला जावा तू कहता एक बार हो मैं पुत जट दा हुण पिछे नहीं हो हटदा
दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे कड़ दे दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे कड़ दे
यार तेरा सुपरस्टार सुपरस्टार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार सुपरस्टार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार मन दा निहार
तू मेरे नेड़े नेड़े नहीं तेरे बिन मेरा जी लगदा नहीं मुक चली जिंद मेरी देर ना करी
बेबी आर यू ऑलराइट
कर देनी हल में सारी मुश्किल रख यकीन just chill जेड़ा आया साडे विच I gonna kill
बेबी आर यू ऑलराइट यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार
दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे कड़ दे एक काम कर खोल लॉकर कट पैहे फिर लॉक कर फोन रख लिया बट पुल्ली ना ओदा चार्जर हुन एक बैग तैयार कर करना गल सुन होल्ड ऑन easy डरना take your ID your passport credit card passcode zipper your slipper your fridge ते लग्या sticker your glossy lipper मेरे ਲਈ some liquor करना कोई फिकर just do it everything quicker हुन अपने तू प्यो दे कमरे नू ला दे कुंडी नाले मेरे ਲਈ पैक कर थोड़ी रोटी ते पिंडी अज रब ने सुख नाल सारा कम बनाता है तेरे मापिया नू भी टाइम सिर सो आता है तेरे डॉगी नू मैं नशे वाला बिस्कुट पाता है एक्साइटेड मैं एडा एक्साइटेड मैं एडा एक्साइटेड मैं एडा हनीमून पैकेज बुक कर आता है एक्साइटेड मैं एडा हनीमून पैकेज बुक कर आता है
यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार तू मेरी हीर मैंने दिल से माना तुझे हर वीरवार पीर बाबा से भी मांगा तुझे यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार मैं पुत जट दा मन दा निहार
दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे कड़ दे दुनिया की सोचूगी साढ़े बारे है गल बिलो छड़ दे छड़ दे छड़ दे अपने तू मम्मी डैडी दा भी डर दिल तो हुन कड़ दे कड़ दे कड़ दे
यार तेरा सुपरस्टार देसी कलाकार
विश्व शांति का विश्व प्रतीक ये सिद्धार्थ जिसका नाम शांति दूत है राजकुंवर पहले तुम्हें प्रणाम बुद्ध चरित की परम कथा ये कर लो श्रवण जनो गौतम से ही बुद्ध बने जो मंगल विजय सुनो कपि कपिल वस्तु नगरी में था शाक्यों का मधुबन। राज पे अपने विराज थे वो नरेश शुद्धोधन। प्रति वर्ष आषाढ़ का वो मधुर सा अनुभव, शाक्य प्रजा और राजा के बीच हर्ष भरा उत्सव।
बुद्धमृतवाणी बुद्धमृतवाणी।
7 दिनों का उत्सव ऐसा प्यारा मन भावन। उस रजनी में महामाया को गर्भ हुआ धारण। चिर निद्रा में महामाया ने स्वप्न सुखद देखा। उज्जवल होगी भविष्य में कल ये जीवन रेखा। सुमेध बोधि सत्व ने देखो सपने में ये कहा। जन्म ये अंतिम तेरी कोख से लेना मुझे है माँ। हर्षित हो गई महामाया वो देखा जो सपना। राजा शुद्धोधन को बतलाया स्वप्न सुबह अपना।
बुद्धमृतवाणी बुद्धमृतवाणी।
प्रसन्न मन से वो शुद्धोधन राजा मुस्काए। स्वप्न ज्ञान से प्रवीण ऐसे पंडित बुलवाए। अर्थ स्वप्न का बतलाने वो पंडित भी आए। पूजा विधि और अन्नदान से प्रसन्न मन भाए। कोख में अपने जीव समाया मधुर वो बातें। महामाया के आनंद मंगल आए दिन बीते। महामाया का समीप जब वो प्रसव काल आया। शुद्धोधन राजा को अपना निर्णय फरमाया।
बुद्धमृतवाणी बुद्धमृतवाणी।
जाने लगी जब अपने मैं के महामाया रानी। राह में शीतल मन को भाया वन वो लुम्बिनी। कहती रानी सुनो कहारो यहाँ ठहरना है। लता पल्लवी संग में थोड़ा विहार करना है। शाल वृक्ष की थोड़ी ऊंची पकड़ के डाली को। प्रसव वेदना हो गई जारी हो महामाया को। वैशाखी पूनम का दिन था मंगल वो न्यारा। लुम्बिनी बन में रानी को पुत्र हुआ प्यारा।
बुद्धमृतवाणी 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 बुद्धमृतवाणी।
राजकुंवर की खबर वो आई। नगरी में वो खुशियाँ छाई। लहर हर्ष की वो लहराई। कपिल वस्तु ने बुद्धि ये पाया। असित मुनि का मन भर आया। दर्शन पाने दिल ललचाया। भीड़ लगी थी राजन के घर। द्वारपाल थे खड़े द्वार पर। असित मुनि भी पहुँचे आकर।
राजा को जा
असित मुनि ने देखा राजन, धन्य धन्य हो तुम शुद्धोधन, मुझे दिखाओ बाल सुलोचन।
अनुपम है ये तेरा पुत्र धन,
उस बालक का लेकर दर्शन, रूप सलोना सुंदर कंचन, नजर पड़े 32 सुलक्षण।
बालक में 80 अनुरंजन,
रोने लगे फिर मुनि यकायक, शुद्धोधन को लगा भयानक, सोच में पड़ गया शाक्य का पालक।
तो स्वामी क्या हानिकारक,
असित मुनि फिर बोले अचानक, पुत्र है राजन जग उद्धारक, देखने जिसकी मंगल रौनक।
मैं न रहूंगा जीवित तब तक,
भविष्य जिसका उज्जवल होगा, ये सम्यक संबुद्ध ही होगा, जन कल्याणी बोधि होगा।
चक्रवर्ती या राजा होगा,
नामकरण का दिन वो न्यारा, महामाया का राज दुलारा, शाक्य कुल का वो बुझियारा।
रावण का सिद्धार्थ वो प्यारा,
अशुभ दिन वो ऐसा आया, बीमार पड़ गई वो महामाया, 7 ही दिन में मृत्यु आया।
विलीन हो गई ममता छाया,
ममता का ये टूटा धागा, छूटा माँ का साथ, मातृहीन ये बालक आया प्रजापति के हाथ। घटना ऐसी ये दुखदायक, चिंतित हो गए प्रजा के पालक, प्रजापति फिर बन गई तारक।
लालन पालन किया वो बालक,
लाड प्यार में फूला खिला जो, शुद्धोधन को पुत्र मिला जो, शिक्षा पाकर बढ़ते चला जो।
अपने ही रंग में ढलता चला जो,
राजपुत्र का गोत्र वो गौतम, राजभवन में वैभव आश्रम, सुख सुविधा की विधिया उत्तम।
भले वहाँ सिद्धार्थ ये गौतम,
मित्रों के संग खेत में जाकर, निराश हो गए दृश्य देख कर, कपड़ा नहीं है श्रमिक तन पर।
देख रहे हम मानव होकर,
क्षत्रिय कुल में रहने वाला, दयाशील की वृत्ति वाला, युद्ध भूमि से डरने वाला,
मन में करुणा भरने वाला,
देवदत्त से पड़ गया पाला, जीव की हत्या करने वाला, भाई को सिद्धार्थ ये बोला।
सबसे बड़ा है बचाने वाला,
तीर धनुर की विद्या पाई, हत्या पर ना मन में आई, प्रेम भावना ही लहराई।
सत्य अहिंसा जिसने जताई,
चिंता में खोए शुद्धोधन, उदास देखा राजकुंवर मन, लगे सोचने नया आयोजन।
कैसे किया जाए परिवर्तन,
असित मुनि की भविष्यवाणी, जिसकी है वैराग निशानी, वही बात सिद्धार्थ ने जानी।
हो जाए ना ये अनहोनी,
साधु संत के विचार वाला, मधुर वाणी करुणा प्याला, निर्जन स्थल पर रहने वाला।
ऐसा था सिद्धार्थ निराला,
शुद्धोधन फिर चिंतित हो गए, भविष्य करके याद, राजमहल में उदास रहता बालक ये अपवाद। दंड पानी की कन्या सुंदर, किए आमंत्रित अन्य कई वर, हुए सम्मिलित वहाँ मान्यवर।
यशोधरा का रचा स्वयंवर,
पानी ग्रहण की मंगल ये रीत, हुए वहाँ सिद्धार्थ आमंत्रित, समय सूचक विवाह परीक्षित।
हुआ स्वयंवर वहाँ परिचित,
उचित वर अपना पहचाने, अधीर थे सब वो दीवाने, पति चुना गौतम कन्या ने।
शील सुशोभित यशोधरा ने,
अनुपम सा संसार बसाए, शुद्धोधन के मन को भाए, राजपुत्र को दुख न आए।
राज विरासत सुख पहुँचाए,
3 महल ऐसे बनवाए, खुशियों के झोंके लहराए, राजपुत्र का मन रम जाए।
बात वो सोच न पाए,
तरह तरह के फूल खिले वो, सुंदर युवती गले मिले वो, सुख वैभव में पुत्र पले वो।
भावुक क्षण में नहीं ढले वो,
झूठे सारे आकर्षणों को स्पर्श किया युवती ने तन को, समर्पित करके यौवन को।
जीत सके ना उनके मन को,
20 वर्ष की आयु में आए, शाक्य कुल के नियम सुचाए, संग में वो सिद्धार्थ को लाए।
संग सदस्य वो कहलाए,
नियम सूची प्रस्ताव में आई, बात पुरोहित ने दोहराई, संथागार में सभा बुलाई।
शाक्य संग की दीक्षा पाई,
8 वर्ष वो हुए संग में, आई न विपदा शाक्य वतन में, मोड़ नया ओ आया जीवन में।
शाक्य राज्य के अनुशासन में,
समय ने ऐसी ली अंगड़ाई, बैरन हो गई रात, चिंगारी से ज्वाला भड़की, आग बनी आघात। 2 राज्यों में वाद चला वो, शाक्य को लियो रहा खड़ा वो, जल का विभाजन प्रश्न पड़ा वो।
इन बातों से बैर हुआ वो,
बैर का कारण नदी रोहिणी, सींचे पहले कौन ये पानी, उस पानी से फसल बुगानी।
बढ़ गई दोनों की हैरानी,
शाक्य को लियो ये 2 शासन, शाक्यों ने सोचा युद्ध आयोजन, कैसे सुलझाए विभाजन।
पानी हो गया वाद का कारण,
28 की वर्ष आयु में, निराश थे वो युद्ध नीति में, मन विचलित था विषय रुचि में।
क्या है फायदा दूर गति में,
उलझन झगड़ा वाद मिटाओ, समता ममता दिल में बसाओ, इस धरती पर युद्ध न लाओ।
विचार मंथन से सुलझाओ,
सेनापति ने सभा बुलाई, बात वो गौतम की ठुकराई, संघ वीरों में स्फूर्ति छाई।
युद्ध घोषणा अमल में आई,
युद्ध में शामिल शाक्य बहुमत, पर सिद्धार्थ वो ना थे सहमत, प्रमुख बोला क्रोध में सोबत।
दंड पात्र तुम कहता जनमत,
संघ नियम को तोड़ा तुमने, संघ वचन भी छोड़ा तुमने, पाओ अपनी सजा सामने।
निर्णय आखिर लिया है हमने,
3 दंड का रोष प्रबल था, कैसा अनोखा देखो पल था, मानव धरती पे ये छल था।
लेकिन ये सिद्धार्थ अटल था,
3 सजा पे ध्यान लगाओ, युद्ध में तुम भर्ती हो जाओ, बहिष्कार परिवार पे लाओ।
या तो देश ये छोड़ के जाओ,
मैं न कभी संघर्ष करूंगा, मुझे युद्ध से द्वेष, कष्ट मेरे परिवार को ना दो, छोड़ जाऊंगा देश। बोले वो सिद्धार्थ सदा दो, कष्ट मेरे परिवार को ना दो, सामाजिक निर्बंध हटा दो।
देश त्याग आदेश मुझे दो,
आखिर निर्णय ले ही लिया ये, कठिन दंड भी मान लिया ये, देश त्याग का वचन दिया ये। प्रजापति शुद्धोधन रोए, पुत्र को अपने वो समझाए, तेरे बिना क्या सुख हम पाए। मगर किसी की बात न मानी, त्याग की मन में ना है रानी, जिद अटल वो अपनी ठानी। माता पिता को वो समझाए, सत्य न्याय का मार्ग दिखाए, खुली है मेरी चार दिशाएं। यशोधरा के महल में आए, अपना निश्चय रोक न पाए, पत्नी को भी निर्णय भाए। यशोधरा तुम धन्य हो नारी, सुनकर मेरी बात ये सारी, धैर्य बढ़ाए वो बेचारी। यशोधरा फिर कहे अचानक, निर्णय ये तो है दुखदायक, मैं भी आती साथ ये सेवक। एक नजर राहुल पर डाली, भाव विवश वो ममता वाली, त्याग प्रेरणा शक्तिशाली। मोह के बंधन तोड़े मन के, चला चला सन्यासी बन के, कोसों दूर वो आए वतन के। फूलों को ठुकराया जिसने, कांटे किया स्वीकार, संकट कितने गले लगाए और किए प्रतिकार। कपिल वस्तु से पैदल चलकर आए 400 मील दूरी पर, रहने लगे वो मगध सीमा पर। बिंबिसार को कथन सुनाया, संयम से ही ध्यान लगाया, राजा ने पुरुषार्थ बताया। 5 तपस्वी मिले राह में, परिव्राजक के वो।
बारिशों का वो महीना भूल पाएंगे कभी ना। हाँ, बारिशों का वो महीना भूल पाएंगे कभी ना। जुल्फ से जब पानी झटका तूने झूम के, हाय ऐसी खूबसूरत भूल बैठे हम शराफत। लौट आई पागल आंखें तुझको चूम के, इश्क था या जहर चढ़ गया था, इश्क था या जहर चढ़ गया था। होश में आज तक न पाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए। ओ हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए। ओ हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए। आशिकी कातिलों की गली है, आशिकी कातिलों की गली है। जीते जी कोई वापस ना आए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए। ओ हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए। मजे में, बिन पिए ही थे नशे में। एक दिन हमें रास्ते में मिल गए फिर तुम, रांझ मजनू अगले पिछले, याद आए जब हम फिसले। हंस के ली जान निकले ऐसे शातिर तुम, तौबा तौबा वो तलवार आंखें, तौबा तौबा वो तलवार आंखें, चीर डाला जिगर हाय हाय। मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, मस्त नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, ओ हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए, हुस्न वालों से अल्लाह बचाए। निसा 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 सरे सा निसा 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 सरे सा नीरे 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 गा दा दा पा पा मा मा गा दा गा सा निसा 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 सरे सा निसा 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 सरे सा नीरे 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 गा दा दा पा पा मा मा गा दा। हम तुम्हारे 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 हुए, हम तुम्हारे 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 हुए, खाक थे पहले अब तो सितारे हुए। हम तुम्हारे 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 हुए, उसकी रहमत कैसे इशारे हुए, उसकी रहमत कैसे इशारे हुए। तुम हमारे 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 हुए। हाँ इश्क अपना है मासूम इसको, इश्क अपना है मासूम इसको, दुश्मनों की नजर लग न जाए। बुरी नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, बुरी नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, इश्क वालों को अल्लाह बचाए। बुरी नजरों से अल्लाह बचाए, हाँ इश्क वालों को अल्लाह बचाए, इश्क वालों को अल्लाह बचाए, इश्क वालों को अल्लाह बचाए।
voice I carry. You can be the man I marry. We can have this for a very long time. What's the wrong time when the right time is a lifetime? You remember back when a million people told me not to trust in you. And there's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a million reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. There's a milli reasons why I fuck with you. There's a million people told me not to trust in you. And there's a million reasons why I fuck with you.
आसमां तेरा मेरा हुआ ख्वाब की तरह धुआं धुआं। आसमां तेरा मेरा हुआ सांस की तरह रुआं रुआं। हो जाए जहाँ तू जाए पाए मुझे ही पाए साए ये मेरे है तुझ में समाए। सैयारा मैं सैयारा सैयारा तू सैयारा सितारों के जहां में मिलेंगे अब यारा। सैयारा मैं सैयारा सैयारा तू सैयारा सितारों के जहां में मिलेंगे अब यारा।
तू जो मिला तो यूं हुआ हो गई पूरी अधूरी सी दुआ। तू जो गया तो ले गया संग तेरे मेरे जीने की हर वजह।
हो जाए जहाँ तू जाए पाए मुझे ही पाए साए ये मेरे है तुझ में समाए। सैयारा मैं सैयारा सैयारा तू सैयारा सितारों के जहां में मिलेंगे अब यारा। सैयारा मैं सैयारा सैयारा तू सैयारा सितारों के जहां में मिलेंगे अब यारा।
तुम पे मिटी तुमसे बनी तुमसे हुआ है हाँ खुद पे यकीन। तू जो नहीं तू ना सही मैं हूँ यहाँ तो तू है यही कहीं।
हो जाए जहाँ तू जाए पाए मुझे ही पाए साए ये मेरे है तुझ में समाए। सैयारा मैं सैयारा सैयारा तू सैयारा सितारों के जहां में मिलेंगे अब
What's wrong with me? Why do I feel like this? I'm going crazy now. No more gas in the red. Can't even get it started. Nothing